Whoa, not today we're doing Creole Marry Me Chicken over mashed potatoes. Use your smoked garlic salt to season the front and back of each chicken breast. The amount is your preference. Place each chicken in a bowl or something and let marinate in the refrigerator for at least an hour. In the meantime, add the remaining of your smoked garlic salt to your flour. Now I want you to preheat your skillet. Coat each chicken breast in your flour mixture. Make sure you get the front and back. Add your sun-dried tomato oil. Yeah, the same oil from out the jar. Add it to your skillet with a little butter. Add your chicken to the skillet. Only cook 2 to 3 breasts at a time. You don't want to overcrowd your skillet. You want to make sure you get a good sear on each side. Once your chicken is done cooking, remove from skillet and set aside. Now it's time to marry them real flavors together, you hear me? In that same preheated skillet, melt your butter, then add diced onions and saute for about 4 to 5 minutes, or at least till they translucent. Stir in your garlic for an additional minute. Deglaze your pan with about 1/4 cup of chicken stock. Once it comes to a boil, reduce heat to a simmer. Add the remaining of your chicken stock, heavy cream, sun-dried tomatoes, basil, red pepper flakes, ChefGoneMad seasoning, and 1.5 cup of Parmesan cheese. Now you're going to take out your stick blender that you haven't used all year long. Blend your sauce for about 1 to 3 minutes or until smooth. Now you can place your chicken back into the skillet. Make sure each chicken is covered in that creamy sun-dried tomato sauce. Allow it to cook for an additional 5 minutes. Now is the time you can add in Parmesan cheese or spinach to your liking. If you want the full written version of this recipe, comment full recipe below.